Your network is your net worth. Build it wisely. The goal isn't to look rich. The goal is to actually be rich. If you don't make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. Success is rented, and the rent is due every single day. Poor people buy liabilities. Rich people buy assets. Build a life you don't need a vacation to escape from. One day or day one, you decide. The biggest risk is taking no risk at all. Discipline is choosing between what you want now and what you want most. Don't lower your standards. Increase your effort.